Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Jura E8 espresso machine. Now for this machine we just did a tune-up. We also secured the hose on the water tank to make sure it doesn't leak. We never saw it leaking, but we still did some preventive measures by making sure that the hose that is connected to the water tank is very secure and it will not leak. What else we did? We also deep cleaned the contact points of the tray of the machine, and we re-lubricate the brew unit that is inside the machine, replace the o-ring of it, multiple o-rings of it. There's like four, one, two, three, four. We replaced four of the o-rings in there, and we made sure it was really lubricated and it was working the way it's supposed to. After we assemble all that and deep clean everything and secure the hoses and stuff, we descale this machine, give it a good rinse as well, did a clean cycle on both the spouts, this one, and yeah, that's what we did to this espresso machine. So starting with one cappuccino, we're gonna test it out. We had a little bit of coffee in there. Let me introduce a bit more. Let me put a little bit more coffee since we do not have enough. That's good enough. And let's do a cappuccino. We also deep cleaned this frother. It was really bad. There was a lot of milk residue over here, and it was starting to get moldy inside. So we deep cleaned the entire thing. We soaked this thing with milk cleaner. This one is right here. This is the milk cleaner that we have, and we just rinse it all over it. Disassemble the entire thing and rinse it all together. And as you can see, works perfectly fine. You can increase or decrease the foam. We're using the same milk cleaner to siphon the water back into it, and as you can see, did a pretty good job over here. Nice foam coming out of the frother. Now it's going to dispense the coffee of the machine, and it's going to take a little bit, but once it starts doing the infusion and all the stuff, it's going to push that water and extract that coffee into this spout. And as you can see, it's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color coming at the bottom of the cup, and really good foam on top. There you go, you can see a bit better there. Now let's go onto this side and let's test the spouts of the machine by doing espresso. Let's close this one now. Now it's going to do some pre-infusion, and then it's going to extract. And as you can see, there's a nice steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent color forming at the top of the espresso. Looking great. Perfect quantity, 2 ounces. That is great. And there you have it, Jura E8 working once again. The only thing that is missing is the filter that is full of capacity, but that can be easily replaced by the customer. So thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content every day, and thanks for watching.